Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you a live video, a live signal I took on a dual trading strategy. If you have watched my previous video on dual trading strategy, you'd have known that this is real and this is very, very powerful. I actually recorded the video live. I recorded the video while I was about to take it, and after I took it, but I discovered that the first video I recorded there was no sound, and the second video there was sound. But then I will show you the results, and I'll also show you the process. Just watch out. Okay, now this is the video I actually recorded, and while I finished recording it, while I was about to take a trade, I discovered that the video I couldn't have sound on the video. I want you guys to see that's how I had to just find a means of doing a video and merging it together with this. So start recording. As you can see, I'm taking a trade live right now. I'm taking a trade. The trade I showed you first was a trade I took live. I took the trade while making the video, so just show you the efficiency of this strategy, and people have been using this for a while now and it's been okay. So okay, just watch this now. I'll be selling XRP USDT on a market order. Note that you don't just take this strategy anyhow. You don't take it anyhow. You don't pick any 2 PS and begin to trade on it. Okay, so I think I'm just about to take a sell order on this now, if I'm not wrong. Okay, just watch out. Okay, so I'm setting the price because the price of the asset you are buying and the one you are selling must be the same. The leverage must be the same, and you must be on the same margin. Another important thing you must understand is the risk management, and everything is included in the video, in the dual trading strategy video. Okay, so watch out for this now. So I'm taking this on the 10x leverage, and I'm shorting this. Okay, I think I've short one. I'm longing this now. I short SRP and I'm longing XLM. Okay, don't just go and short it anyhow. There are things you need to watch out for, and those are part of the things you'll be learning, and it will really be a nice time. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow us. You can also watch our previous video on dual trading, and join our general Telegram channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell icon. Okay, watch out for this now. So immediately I took this on buy. So I paused the video and I did another video, and the other video I did has its own sound. It has its own sound, and I will just stop immediately. I exhaust this now. I'm going to stop it. Okay, I'm going to stop it immediately. I take a buy position on this now. Okay, I've taken a buy, so I'll be pausing the video now so that I'll show you the other video, but that one has a sound, so you can follow up from there. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you watch the video to the end. See the results live, guys. This is real. This has been working for people, and it will definitely work for you. So I'll be stopping the sound now while I wait for this video to stop, and then it resumes the other side. Subscribe, join the YouTube channel. All right, now within few minutes, as I've said, you can see now. You can see the signal we took. You can see. So dual trading strategy is very real. It's very real. It's a very great strategy that you can use to hedge the market and play safe and make consistent daily profits. Don't just blindly open a trade. Make sure you join our Telegram channel and send a DM in case you will want to properly learn. For now, there is a 50% discount. It's supposed to be $29, but it's $14.5 if you are taking this advantage as at the time you are watching this video. So it's a very great strategy. You can use it on BINANCE, you can use it on Bybit, you can use it on some other exchanges like that. When you join properly, I will give you there are guidelines that I have for you, and it's a very comprehensive way of learning. As you can see, okay, look at this now. This is the dual trading discussion group, and this signal was not even dropped by me. It was dropped by one of our students. If you can see, one of our students, you can see. So, and we have been trading. You can see these are dual trading strategies. Okay, so I'll be showing you the video the video live. Now I'll be showing you. The first one does not have a sound, but immediately the signal entered profit, you start to hear my voice back. So just stay tuned and make sure you watch everything bit by bit so you can know what to do. Okay, this is drop trading training room. This is not a scam. Everything simplified for you to understand. Immediately you join, you'll be learning a very powerful strategy that you can use to edge the market and make consistent daily profits. 100% consistent daily profit, provided you follow the secret that will be revealed to you. Okay, and also you can do well to also join our general strategy, our general group, our our official general Telegram channel. We also drop signals there. You can see this is the draw trade I dropped today. I didn't drop this. This was the one we took on the draw trading group. Okay, this is the free signal I dropped. You can also join our VIP group. This is the training for draw trading strategies, $29, but there is an ongoing 50% discount, meaning you'll be paying $14.5. You want to learn technical analysis, everything across. Now we have a 50% discount, including the crypto VIP signal group. Instead of $25 per month, you'll be paying half of that. Okay, for the draw trading, it's not it's 14.5, while this is 12.5. The VIP signal group this here. Okay, so if you want to join, just join the Telegram channel and send me a DM, and then we'll negotiate and we discuss. Then you'll be part of those that are earning consistently. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in our next video.